Hello guys, welcome back to where we keep it simple, easy and absolutely delicious. If you are new here, my name is Ummi. Today we are making a special macaroni pasta recipe and I know you're gonna love it. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like and share it with your friends. Thank you. Let's get started.